In this video, I'll show you how to set up LIGHTSPEED from my Galaxy Marble Machine collection. Everything is designed to be printed without supports. This piece is the base piece, and it houses the electronic components as well as the electric motor. It is designed to be printed in this orientation without supports. Next, we have the loading gear. It prints in this orientation, and the only thing you need to look for when you're installing it into the base is this flange piece goes in the back. Use the metal rod to secure the gear to the base. Next, we have the small drive gear that connects to the motor shaft. Be sure to align the small notch with the notch on the motor shaft. And that's it for the base. Next, we have the track pieces. So the first track piece is the C tunnel, as I have it called in the downloadable files. And it prints in this orientation, also no supports. And it connects into this slot on the base here, just like this. So now we have all the other track pieces, and they're all designed to be printed on the build plate, flat and horizontal as shown here on the table. The next track piece after the C tunnel is the down track velocity reducer, and that just connects as shown. Use the track connector piece to connect the other track pieces together. The last track piece has two smaller pieces that connect into it. Those pieces are called the last track piece supports. Lastly, insert the magnet into the small slot on the bottom of the base. Secure it into place with the small magnet cover piece. Now plug the machine in using your 2.1mm DC power plug. Load 3 steel ball bearings into the front of the magnet and 1 steel ball into the back. This should get the marble machine going. And that's how you 3D print and set up LIGHTSPEED marble machine from my Galaxy Marble Machine collection. If you're curious about the print settings that I use for this, I usually print with 200 degrees Celsius for the nozzle, 50 to 60 degrees Celsius for the bed, and I usually do a layer height of either 0.2 to 0.28 millimeters. And I print at a 50 millimeters per second print speed. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. Also, I'd love to see how your creations come out, so feel free to email me photos or videos, or you can tag me on Instagram at 3D_printer_academy. So it's just at 3D Printer Academy with underscores between each word.